Tonight only. Celebration of family and friends of New Orleans. Oh. Alright, so here's the first Tiana animatronic.
Louis is up ahead. Let's join him in finding bands for our celebration. To the left.
So we're joining Louis to find a band for the celebration. There's some okra. Just dancing.
Hello? Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
There's Laurie. Purple pod beans. What are purple pod beans? Never ever lose sight of what's really important. Like classical stories. You don't want to lose sight of things like classic stories.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people what to do.
Oh, ow! Oh, that was a rough bump right there. That part of where it's dry underneath? Oh, it's getting dark in here. Oh, we're on the Navi River journey now.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are good.
We'll all stand to join the band for sure.
This reminds me of the beginning of the Black Widow movie. You know, the lightning bugs?
Yeah.
And the Navi River journey. The animatronics are cool. You go by them really fast. And there's screens over here, more screens. And more Fireflies. I got my wish of wanting fireflies.
I hope they all come to the party tonight. But let's explore a bit more.
How's this?
Oh, there's the homage to Briar Bear.
Unusual places. Hide unusual.
Okay. Now we just got shrunk.
Where'd they go?
We lost them.
We have to find them.
Were those Pym particles? I think they were Pym particles. And another drop. A little Moana in here, dancing water. Leftovers. Take a little thing.
You found the sound. That was great.
You enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to the big old beautiful self.
Here we go.
You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Hang on, y'all.
Okay, that was it. I'll see more of this than I did in real life because my eyes are closed just now. Yeah, there's a lot. That wasn't very much splash. This used to always get me like they had spray coming off of this before. Now we're about to go to the final celebration here. I missed the boat.
Special people like you. Now, be careful. to it. I didn't hear you, you bad boy.